In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Google Sheets to Google Forms. If you want form responses to land neatly in a spreadsheet without any extra add-ons or complicated setup, this is the fastest, most reliable way to do it. Start inside the Google Sheet where you want responses to go. From the top menu, open Tools, then click Create a New Form. That single click spins up a brand new Google form that's already linked to your spreadsheet behind the scenes. No copying links, no manual connection, and nothing extra to install. The form will open in a new tab so you can begin building your questions right away. Flip back to your spreadsheet and look along the bottom. You'll see a new tab called Form Responses. That's your built-in inbox for every submission that comes through the form. Each time someone hits submit, a new row appears automatically in real time, so you never have to paste data or worry about typos from manual entry. As you add questions in the form editor, whether they're short answers, multiple choice, checkboxes, or dropdowns, Google Sheets creates matching column headers in the Form Responses tab. This means your data structure stays clean from the very beginning, with each question becoming a clearly labeled column. You can focus on writing good questions, and Sheets will take care of organizing the incoming data for you. A quick tip: try to keep your question wording consistent, because those labels become your column names. If you later adjust the text of a question, Sheets will update the header to match. Also, avoid deleting or heavily reordering the columns in the Form Responses tab. That tab is the official destination for the form, and changing its structure can cause confusion when responses start flowing in. Renaming the tab is fine, but removing it or its headers can disrupt the link. From here, you can preview the form, share it with respondents, and watch the responses arrive instantly in your spreadsheet. You'll always have a single source of truth for analysis, charts, filters, and pivot tables, and you can build dashboards or summaries on separate tabs, while the Form Responses tab continues collecting data safely in the background. And that's it. Simple, free, and built right into Google Sheets. Create the form from your sheet, let the Form Responses tab do the heavy lifting, and enjoy clean, real-time data without any extra tools. Follow for more Google Sheets basics.